What is going on, YouTube? This is your boy Jamar coming at y'all again with another YouTube video. And today we are going to talk about how to fine tune your nudging inside of Affinity Designer. Now, looking at this right here may look perfect, but it's not. So let's get into it. And before we get into it, I see like 80% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. So click that subscription button or subscribe button, and hit the notification bells for whenever I do another tutorial video. So let's get into the tutorial today. Okay, so by the way that this logo looks, it may look like everything is aligned up perfectly, but if you zoom in real close right here, you see that this is off just a little bit, or to me, that's a lot. And it's also going to be off here as well. So how do we fix that? So I was having the same issue myself, and I've had this ever since I have been using Affinity Designer. So I was like, man, let me look this up. So how you change this is you go to at the very top of Affinity, you go to edit, and this is on Mac or if it's on Windows, so it's the same preference. You go to tools, and then right here under the first window, I think this is only one window. Yeah, this is under tools. So what you do is this is normally in pixels, but what I do is I change it to inches because you'll see exactly how it is. And by default, I accidentally changed it is 0.01. And what I do or what I did is just to kind of play around with it. I added an extra zero to that. And once I did that, I was able to go back to my design. Let's click on this. And just using my left and right arrows, I'm able to move these, within a small nudge, which comes in clutch. Like, for instance, like whenever you're trying to like fine tune uh, your designs and stuff. Now, this is off a little bit at the top because I just had to readjust it a little bit. I messed it up for this video just for the sole purpose of the video. Like I said, you can get down to the nitty gritty if you really want to, but nobody's actually going to see that. So I'm going to nudge this over a little bit, and then you can see at the top that is actually in line. And then here, I just had to adjust it a little bit, and it's back to normal. And that looks perfect. So I just wanted to show everybody this little quick tip that I learned, how to basically get everything, in line. Like even with these broken angles right here, like, you'll barely get these together. Well, by changing that, and you can kind of see right now as I'm moving back and forth, the small increments from left and right, they're really like fine tuned to like, what's that? Tens, hundreds, thousands. So that I changed that by giving it another, I think that's 1,000 of an inch. So like I said, you go to edit, your preferences, you go to tools, and then you change your nudge distance. Now, I know there's a way that you can save this, possibly, but if I figure that out, I will link that in the description below. And like I said, that's the only thing I want to show you guys today is how to get the fine nudgings of your design so it looks very perfect. Thank you guys for watching, and see y'all on the next one.